What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a board on Miro. So Miro is a great platform online that you can use to create boards and all kinds of boards such as mind maps, Kanban, quick respective project management and flowcharts and so much more. So you need to go to Miro.com, create a free account, it's pretty easy. And once you are signed in or created an account, here you can view all your boards here. Of course, I haven't created any boards since this is a newly created account. And here you can create a new board from scratch or choose between the templates that are available. So you can create, if you want to create a mind map, you can start from a mind map template and you can show all templates that are available right here. So here, let's say I want to create a flow chart. So I can use a template. Here, click on use template. Or of course, you can create a new board from scratch and add your elements one by one. And here is the board, and they've already created a flowchart for me. So I can click on any element in this flowchart to edit it. So let's see here the start. I can edit the text, I can edit the font, I can edit the border style or color, I can set the color and opacity, I can pretty much manipulate every aspect, and I can also move it around. And if I drag from these blue dots right here, I can create connections. So let's connect the start here to the process. So I'm just making up connections right here. And to create a new container, just go to shapes right here, create like a circle, drag it, let's name it like test, edit the fill color, it's transparent, let's fill it with a red color, and connect it to the process, for example. So and now that I've created my flowchart and edited any element or all elements, I can share it here with my teammates with a link that I can edit.